Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix update failed or not installing on Windows 11. First method is click Start, Settings. Click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Windows Update. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type net space, stop space, WUAU serve. Type net space, stop space, bits. Type net space, stop space, crypt svc. Type net space, stop space, MSI server. Type ren space, /lan /windows /software distribution space, software distribution.old. Type ren space, /lan /windows /software distribution space, software distribution.old. Type net space, start space, WUAU serve. Type net space, start space, bits. Type net space, start space, crypt svc. Type net space, start space, MSI server. Exit and restart system. Third method is open any browser. Copy URL from description and paste it. Click download. Fourth method is open any browser. Type Windows 11 download in browser search bar. Click download Windows 11. Click download now. Click Accept. Click Next. Click Next. Click Accept. Check Install Windows 11 and also check Keep Personal Files and Apps. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.